Craving a quick and delicious dessert? Start by cutting 150 grams of kataifi pastry. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter. And add the kataifi to the pan. Cooking until it's golden brown and crispy. When the kataifi is ready, transfer it to an empty bowl. And mix in pistachio paste until it's smooth and well combined. Now, grab a small dessert cup, add a layer of vanilla ice cream, and flatten it. Then, top it with the kataifi pistachio mixture for a crunchy, nutty twist. This easy Dubai or Turkish-inspired dessert is ready in minutes. Enjoy!